When you're starting a drawing and only have a basic idea of what you want to create, the precise input methods that we've covered so far can sometimes be a hindrance. For situations where you're looking to quickly draft freehand or only need a little guidance, the OrthoMode and Polar Tracking drafting settings can be a huge help. These settings will affect how I can draw, so I'll start by enabling the line command and placing a point in the middle of the drawing area. With neither setting yet active, I'm free to move around the drawing area with no additional feedback. To change that, I'll go to the status bar and enable Ortho Mode. The line that I'm drawing immediately snaps to an orthogonal direction, and as I move around the drawing area, you'll notice that the line is restricted to either vertical or horizontal, no matter where my cursor goes. I'll disable Ortho Mode by pressing the F8 key, a hotkey listed if you hover over the settings icon, and I'm back to the normal full range of motion. This quick toggle can be a huge help when freehanding quickly if you're placing vertical or horizontal points. The next draft setting, Polar Tracking, is less restrictive and simply offers additional feedback. I'll turn it on from the status bar, and as I move around the drawing area once again, notice that green reference lines shoot out from the start point every 45 degrees. These lines act as a guide to help placing points at exact angles easier, and similar to snaps, will place the point along the line if it's showing, even if the cursor is slightly off of it. To change the guideline increment, you can either click on the flyout next to the setting in the status bar and change it from here, or click Tracking Settings to bring up the Drafting Settings dialog box. From here, you can both select a default angle or add custom angles of your own to track at.